This project here, we're going to be working on creating holes. So we've learned so far to draw circles and extrude those through to make holes, but we're going to use placed features or the hole command right here. So basically what this does is allows us in drawings to come up with these cool hole callouts automatically. So we're going to talk about that coming up. But the first thing we have to understand is we need a point to start a hole. So we need the center points of all these holes. So if I look over here on the plan and take a peek, I start down here, 0.75, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, and 5.25. Is the centers of all the holes this way? And this way coming back, 0.75, 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5. So this whole block is 3.5 by 6. And it's 2 inches thick. So let's get going on that. So I'm going to open up a new part. Draw my top view, sketch, right click, normative sketch plane, draw a rectangle. I need it to be 6, and I need it to be 3.5. So come over here, do dimension, and run 3.5. Check that off and extrude it. Go to isometric, and I'm going to go to 2 inches thick. And there's my base feature. Now I need to lay out my grid on this top surface. So I'm going to do a new sketch, and I'm going to lay out a set of grid lines that are going to be construction lines. So if I go here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2, 3. 6 by 3. So I'm going to do a sketch, top surface, normal to sketch plane, draw a line. And right over here, this turns into a construction line. I'm going to start on the bottom, go straight up, click, come over, click, come straight down, click, come over, click, come straight up, click, click. Uh-oh, I see a little problem on that one. I accidentally went to the midpoint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's okay. I'm just going to click this endpoint, click this coincident, and hit delete. Click this endpoint, click this coincident, and hit delete. So now this object can start moving around a little bit. I'm going to have to delete there. Draw that line back in. Toggle that construction, and I'll be here. Draw a line again, still in construction. Come to here, just get it horizontal. Perpendicular works. Don't go to that midpoint. And stay off of that midpoint. Now I got to put dimensions on here. So I'm going to lay all my dimensions this way. Click, 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 click. And then I'll come back and I'll put the numbers in. Click, click. If I do all this clicking, it's a little bit quicker because I just know what I'm doing. I don't accidentally miss one. And I can come back and put dimensions in. So now I'm looking at my drawing. 0.75, 1.5, 2.5. So I'm here. 0.75, 1.5, 2.5. Get my drawing. 3.5, 4.5. 3.5, 4.5, and 5.25. Go back to drawing. 0.75, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. So 0.75, 1.5, 2.5. There's all my locations and my centers. Now I have to put points on them. So I'm just going to come to point, and I'm going to come across. Get those two lined up. And you can see I'm dropping a dot on each one of these. I could have done this straight with constraints as well, but now I am done with that sketch. Right click, isometric. P to turn planes off, and I can see I got dots on all of those, and that's the beginning of this project.